Hello everyone, my name is Hisham. I'm the owner of Clemson Aeronautics, where we make the riveting and dimpling system. Yesterday we riveted the stiffeners to the left skin using our new NUMATX squeezer that we installed on our machine, and it worked beautiful. The next step is to glue the trailing edge to the right skin. Before we did so, I just machined a little block so this would fit level on there, so I can machine countersink perpendicular to it on my drill press using the micro stop. I did it on both sides, and then I thought it would be a good idea to scuff this trailing edge too, so the glue would stick to it even better. Then I used my 3M tape and I laid it on the trailing edge. Then I placed it in place over the right skin, and I clecoed it. Every 5 holes or so, I would skip like 5 holes and go to the next one, all the way to the end. Then that kind of ensured that all the holes are lined up. Then I peeled just a little bit before the end of the trailing edge. Then I placed it and it went right into place. The dimple that I have from the skin laid inside the machine countersink that I have in the trailing edge. Then started peeling, and as I go I peel some and I place cleco in every other hole to make sure everything is flat on each other, on both sides. And the break that I did on the skin itself, it laid down flat and it's pretty good. Then I left it overnight to cure. Of course, when I first put the tape on there, I had to leave it 15-20 minutes to cure. Then I put the trailing edge on the skin, and I think it worked out very well. After I did so, I placed a ruler that I had and I left the trailing edge like that to cure overnight. And let me tell you, that tape really really works well. There is a little bit of excess glue on the edge here, and it's very hard, and I think it's gonna do the trick. Now it's time to put the left skin over the right skin, placing another tape on here and riveting the stiffeners together to start assembling the rudder. And hopefully that will be in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.